Got a 2003 Acura TL here. Disconnected the battery. I got the radio code for it, but whenever I would punch in the codes, it would just keep saying error. So the way to fix that is to remove this panel right here. So you have this this trim right here. This pops out by pulling it out. Just pry it out with a flat screwdriver first, and then it'll come off. And then you'll have one, 2, and 3, and then 4 Phillips head. It looks like this. But before you can take this one out, you have to pop this off right here. This one just pulls out. Take this fuse box cover off. This pops out, and then just pull this down, and then you'll have the Phillips screwdriver screw 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you can slide it to the side. What you do is, this is the back of your radio. You pull this plug out. This is your antenna. You take that off, and then you put the key in. Where's my key? Like that. This one I already fixed it, but thought I'd show you guys. Then you can punch in the code, and then it should work now. That's it. Hope this video helps you. If you got any questions, comment below. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you.